Good morning class 9. We have started new exercise in our last class. So today we will start from question number 7. Okay, you have done till question number 6. So from question number 7 we'll do today. How much will rupees 15,000 amount to in 3 years at compound interest if the rates for 3 successive years be 12%, 15% and 18% respectively? The interest is payable yearly. So here this is principal, okay, and this principal is depositing. Suppose you imagine you are depositing rupees 15,000 in a bank for 3 years, okay, and if bank is giving you rates for first year 12%, for second year 15% and third year 18%, and the interest is payable yearly, means at the end of 1 year interest is calculated. So you have to find the amount of this principal after 3 years, okay, when the rates for 3 different years are different. So here principal is 15,000, time is 3 years. So rate for the first year is 12%, rate for the second year is 15% and rate for the third year is 18%. So here formula is amount is equal to P. Actually the formula to find amount is P1 plus R by 100 to the power n. But here in place of n we cannot write 3 because we have 3 different rates for 3 years. So we will write first P1 plus R1 by 100. This is for first year. 1 plus R2 by 100 second year. 1 plus R3 by 100 third year. So in place of R1 12, in place of R2 15, in place of R3 18. Okay. Now you simplify this. Simplification you can do. So after simplification you will get, you can cancel this 0, 0, 0, 0, cancel, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 0, then 2 1s are 2, 2 15s are 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15. Now you multiply numerator then divide by 5. Okay, you will get 22,797.60. So that 15,000 will amounts to this much after 3 years. Next is question number 8. A certain sum of money amounts to rupees 1250 in 1 year and rupees 1373 in 2 years at compound interest. Find the rate of interest and the sum of money. So here principal is not given, okay, but that principal will amount to 1250 in 1 year. That means amount at the end of first year is 1250. Then if you find the amount at the end of second year, it will be 1373, but we don't know what is the principal, okay. So we have to find the principal and rate of interest. So first principal P is not given, rate is also not given. So we here unknown are P and R. So amount in first year is 1250. So you know formula P1 plus R by 100 to the power n is 1 here. So 1250. So power 1 no need to write. This is equation 1. Next is amount in 2 years is 1373. So P1 plus R by 100 square is equal to 1373, equation 2. Now we have to solve this equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. So what we will do is we will divide this equation 2 by equation 1 because here we have more power. Okay. So equation 2 divided by equation 1. So divide left hand side and right hand side. Here P and P will cancel. This 1 power will cancel with this. Then 1 plus R by 100 is equal to 1373 by 1250. 1 you can bring here on the right hand side. Then take LCM. Okay, you will get 1373 minus 1250 divided by 1250. So on subtraction you will get 123 divided by 1250. Cancel this 0 0. Now otherwise you can cancel here also. Okay, then you'll get on simplification you'll get 9.84%. so rate we got. Now we have to find principal. To find principal we will use this value of R in equation 1, okay, which is simple. So here we will put 9.84. So putting R is equal to 9.84 in equation 1, P1 plus R by 100 in place of R 9.84. 1250. So 100 plus 9.84 is 109.84 divided by 100. is equal to 1250. So this will become reciprocal on the right hand side. Okay, now simplify this. You'll get principal rupees 1138.01. So this is the principal. Now next is question number 9. The simple interest on a certain sum of money for 3 years at 5% per annum is rupees 600. So this 600 is simple interest. Okay, we don't know principal. What is the principal? But its simple interest is 600. Time is 3 years and rate is 5%. So with the help of this information, okay, we can find principal with the help of that simple interest formula. Then find the amount due and the compound interest on this sum of money at the same rate after 3 years, interest being compounded annually. So from here, from this first part, okay, you will find principal. Okay, after getting principal, so of that principal you have to find amount as well as compound interest. Rate and time will be same. So your principal P is question mark, time is 3 years, rate 5%. You know simple interest, here it is given 600. Formula is PRT over 100 is equal to 600. P, rate is 5, time is 3 is equal to 600. Now I cancel this, 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100. Now this will become reciprocal on the right hand side, 20 by 3. So cancel this, 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, 0 0. So 2 2s are 4, 1 2 3, 3 0. So principal is 4000. So of this principal you have to find amount and compound interest. So it is compounded annually. So formula is P 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. So 4000 is the principal, rate is 5, time is 3. So you can cancel this, 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100. Okay. Now take LCM, you'll get 21 by 20 whole cube. Now simplify this, you'll get rupees 4630.50. So we got amount, we will find compound interest. Compound interest is amount minus principal. So amount minus principal is rupees 630.50. So this is the compound interest of that principal.